Hey, Dad.
What's that?
I know her.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's that?
You don't know her?
No.
She sells seashells down by the seashore.
Boom! And this is why we don't have more subscribers.
Welcome to Devil's Fork State Park in Salem, South Carolina. You're watching Main Streets and Back Roads. Let's go check it out.
Looks like we picked the right time of year to come. The leaves are gorgeous.
Hi, welcome to Devil's Fork State Park. We're glad to have you.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you've watched our videos before, you know what we're after. We came here to get our ultimate outsider stamp.
Next, we got checked in, and this is one of the largest park ranger stores and check-in areas we've seen yet. Plenty of snacks and knickknacks, t-shirts, stickers, books about the park and the area, and a gorgeous scene right here.
After seeing the landscape out of the window, we decided to explore it a little bit further and go down to the beach area. Let's head over to the Oconee Bell Trail.
We saw this in the parking lot that leads over to the trail, and I definitely say this has to be the winner for the largest tow vehicle for the weekend.
The trailhead was pretty easy to find. So in the beginning it tells you to follow the white blazes, but we actually scanned one of the QR codes and it said if you follow it around clockwise or take a left from the beginning, which we figure is this way, it makes a big loop back around and comes back up. So there's a guide that you can follow on your phone.
A few slight elevation changes already, but this looks like a very clear and well-traveled trail. Leaf finally comes off at the end of the video.
We may not always be the fastest on our hikes or the first ones to finish once we start. We like to take our time and kind of look around and see what's out there in some different spots that maybe nobody has noticed before. We're both suckers for pretty leaves of different shapes and colors. Along the trail you'll see lots of the trees and bushes that are labeled. Some of what we saw were downy serviceberry, American beech, green ash, bare huckleberry, and maples.
Okay.
I'm not sure, hold on. Hello? It's Chad.
Thanks, and we look forward to
And we're out here in the middle of nature, and Chad Gibbons is calling us from Sumter Cut Rate, which happens to be today's sponsor of the video.
Thank you for my happy birthday wishes, Chad. We booked this trip over a year ago so that we could celebrate my 40th birthday, and what a beautiful weekend we had.
I think she definitely had a good time on this trail. So this is definitely a very well maintained trail with plenty of bridges and boardwalks, and this one here takes us just about toward the end of the hike.
And another successful hike. So we just finished the Oconee Bell Trail.
And it really wasn't that bad, but it was absolutely gorgeous. The leaves changing this time of year
We're towards the middle of November when we recorded this, and now I think we're going to check out the picnic area and get a little bit of chicken salad from today's sponsor, Something Gut Rate.
So it was a 1.2-mile loop.
And we did it in less than an hour, and we really took our time, stopped and took video and pictures and everything, so it really wasn't bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Let's go.
All right. We wanted to leave this footage from going from one place to the picnic area, but we'll speed it up for you, and we wanted you to see how large the park is. At the picnic area, there's a bar for snacks and a place to rent canoes, to buy souvenirs, and hiking sticks.
It's crazy to think that there was actually a town under what is now Lake Jocassee. Later in the day, we actually saw divers. I guess they were trying to find relics from the 17 and 1800s. All right, let's go do some more exploring.
Whoa, 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 back up, back up, back up. Do you see what I see? Oh my gosh.
If you've seen some of our other videos, you know Jennifer will never pass up the opportunity to go down a slide. This one's for my Little League baseball coach. Shake it off, Jen, shake it off.
Yeah, I'm good. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see.
Since Jennifer is okay after that little spill, we might as well explore as many of the 7,565 acres as we possibly can. We'll keep it in fast forward because we really want you to see just how large and beautiful this park is.
So the guy at the entry told us that this was the prettiest view on the lake, and so far we agree.
Okay, so we came back to the campsite and Jennifer had made us some homemade chili. We got our vintage grill out. This is an easy disposable way to heat everything up. These little pans. I got some. Our solo cup for fall. And of course we got that world famous cut rate chicken salad.
We'll take you for a tour around the park and show you the right-hand side of the RV campsites, which is sites 31 through 59. In this area, you'll notice that some of these sites do have water view, and in the area we were in, there was not a water view.
If you've ever been here, give us a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment. If you haven't been, visit SouthCarolinaParks.com, make a reservation as soon as possible. This place books up really quick and you can book up to 13 months out.
Todd is right, this place books fast. Grab your Ultimate Outsiders book and meet us at the next park.